Very good morning, children. Let's start a new chapter in science, chapter 10, natural and man-made things. So first let's see what are natural things. We have already learned the gifts of nature. So what are the gifts of nature? Things like rivers, seas, sky are all gifts of nature. So the things that are found in nature are natural things. Suppose if we look at the sky, what all can we see in the sky? We can see the clouds, sun, stars, moon and so on. These all are natural things. They are the gifts of nature. They are found in nature. So we can say that these things are natural things. All living things are natural things. So what is a living thing? We have already learned what is a living thing. Living things are things that need air to breathe, food to move and grow, and also it reproduces young ones. So all living things are natural things. So we can say that animals, plants are all natural things. Now if you look at this picture, you can see the rivers, hill, the sky. Are they living things? No, they are non-living things. So what are non-living things? Non-living things are things that cannot move on their own, that do not need air to breathe. So that kind of things are non-living things. So we can say that the river, hills, sky, all are non-living things. But some non-living things are also natural things. So we can say that the river is a natural thing. The hills, mountains are all natural things. The soil, the rock that we find in our nature are non-living things, but still they are natural things. So we learned about natural things. So what are natural things? Natural things are things that are found in nature. All living things are natural things and some non-living things are also natural things. So let's see this in your text, page number 80. You can find a picture. Let's read it. It's about a stone and stone is describing about itself. So you can see here, I am a stone. I do not grow like living things do. So it is a stone. So is a stone a living thing or a non-living thing? It is a non-living thing. It cannot grow on its own and it does not need food to grow. So here the stone is saying, I do not grow like living things do. I do not move on my own. Can a stone move on its own? No. Only when we push, a stone can move. So here the stone is saying, I do not move on my own. I was not made by people. The stone is saying that a stone is not made by people. So it is found in the nature. So it is a natural thing. I do not need air, water, food or warmth. Does a stone require food, air, water? No. So the stone here is saying, I do not need air, water, food or warmth. I am a non-living natural thing. So a stone is a non-living thing and still it is a natural thing. So we can say it is a non-living natural thing. Now let's move on to a next topic, that is man-made things. So what are man-made things? Man-made things are things that are made by man. The things that we use mostly are man-made things. And how does a man make these things? The man uses natural things to make things. So that things we call it as man-made things. The clothes we wear. From where do we get that? The clothes are made in factories. So we can say that the clothes are man-made. But how this clothes is made? We have already learned that cotton clothes, we make it from cotton plants. And cotton plant is a natural thing. It's a living thing. So we can say it's a natural thing. So from a cotton plants, from the cotton that is obtained from cotton plants, we are making cotton clothes. And that cotton clothes are made in factories. So we can say that cotton plants are natural things and cotton clothes are man-made. And what about woolen clothes? We have already learnt in the woolen clothes we get from sheep, camel, rabbits and so on. So we get wool from these animals. These animals are natural things and out of this wool we make woolen clothes and that is made in factories. So we can say that the woolen clothes are man-made. And what about a book? Is a book natural or man-made? Do you know the papers in a book? From where do you get it? We get it from a tree. So a tree is a natural thing. It is a living thing. And when we cut the trees, we get wood. And out of this wood, we make paper. We can also build houses. The doors, windows in your houses are made of wood. And also the furnitures like chairs, tables, etc. are made using wood. So out of wood, the wood we derive from the tree, which is a natural thing, and from that we make many things like paper, houses, furnitures, and so on. So it's very important that we preserve all these natural things. Only then we will be able to make other things. The sugar that we eat, you know from where we get it? The sugar is made in factories, but the sugar is obtained from sugarcane. Sugarcane is a plant and it's a natural thing. So we can say that sugarcane is a natural thing and sugar is man-made. The glass that we use is made out of sand. So here the sand is a natural thing and the glass is a man-made thing. So this is all about natural and man-made things. Hope you understood what is natural and what is man-made thing. Now let's move on to our exercises. You can open your text. Page number 80. In page number 80, you can see this. Tick the correct answer. Flowers and fruits are natural things, man-made things. So just imagine, from where do you get flowers and fruits? You get it from plants or trees, and plants or trees are natural things. So we can say that flowers and fruits are natural things. You can tick it near the natural things. And the second question, stars, the moon and the sun are natural things, man-made things. Are these things made by man? No. So the stars, the moon and the sun are natural things. Here also you can tick near the option natural things. Page number 81, you have an activity. Let's see what it is. Change the given circle into a smiley if the thing is made by people and into a bird if it is natural. So you can see here some pictures are given and we have to classify it into natural or man-made things. So let's see what it is. Here water is given, bucket, book, bat, plant, balloon, flower, cycle, telephone, cap, a banana, egg, pen and butterfly. So if it is a natural thing, you have to change this circle into a bird. And if it's a man-made thing, you have to draw a smiley. So this is an activity for you to do. Next, in page number 82, there are some keywords. Let's see what it is. The keywords first is natural things. So what are natural things? Natural things are things found in nature. And the next one is man-made things. The things made by people is man-made things. And here there are some points to remember. Natural and man-made are given. So under natural, what all are given? We can say that air, water, sun, soil, plants, clouds and animals that are found in nature are natural things. And let's see what man-made is. Pencils, toys, books, cars, clothes, paper. These all are man-made things. These things are made out of natural things. So we can say that these all are man-made. Now in page number 82 and 83 we have exercises. Let's see. The first question, tick the correct answer. Which of the following are natural living things? And the options are plants, rocks, animals. So we have to tick which are natural living things. And the second one, which of the following are natural non-living things? The options water, soil, plants. Third, which of the following are man-made things? Clothes, animals, soil. Fourth one, what is used to make glass? Wood, sand, rock. Fifth, from what is paper made? Glass, wood, plastic. So you can pause the video, do this activity and come back. So hope you have done it. Let's check the answers. Let's look at the first question. Which of the following are natural living things? And our options are plants, rocks, animals. And out of this, what are living things? Plants and animals are living things, so we can say they are natural living things. Now look at the second question. Which of the following are natural non-living things? We have the options water, soil, plants. And out of this, water and soil are natural non-living things. Let's look at the third question. Which of the following are man-made things? Option clothes, animals, soil. So here clothes are man-made things, animals and soil are natural things. Look at the fourth question. What is used to make glass? And we have the option wood, sand, rock. So glass is made of sand. So you can tick near the option sand. Fifth one, from what is paper made? We have the option glass, wood, plastic, and paper is made out of wood. So you can tick there. Next, tick the true statements and the false ones. So some sentences are given. We have to tick the correct sentences and cross the false one. So let's look at the questions. The first one, all natural things are living things. Now let's look at the second question. Tick the true statements and the false ones. So here some sentences are given. We have to tick the correct statement and cross the false one. So let's look at the question. The first one, all natural things are living things. The second one, non-living things do not move on their own. Third one, plants are natural things. Fourth, water and rocks are non-living things. Fifth, glass and paper are man-made things. So let's check the answers. The first one, all natural things are living things. The sentence is wrong because some non-living things are also natural things. So you can cross there near the first sentence. Now let's look at the second question. Non-living things do not move on their own. And that statement is correct. They cannot move on their own. Third one, plants are natural things. That statement is true. So you can tick it over there. Fourth one, water and rocks are non-living things. And that statement is true. So you can tick it. Fifth one, glass and paper are man-made things. So that statement is also true. So you can tick it over there. Next, we have answer the following questions. So the questions you can write down in your notebook. Take your notebook, take a new page and write the heading natural and man-made things. And let's write the first question. The first question, what are natural things? Give 2 examples. So write down the question and in the next line write the answer. Things which are found in nature are called natural things. And for that examples, hills, clouds. Let's move on to our second question. What are man-made things? Give 2 examples. So write down the second question and write the answer in the next line. Things made by man using natural things are called man-made things. And examples for man-made things, book, chair. So we have only 2 question answers in this chapter. So turn to page 84. Let's look at the exercises. Look at the picture. List the natural and the man-made things in the given space. So here you can see some pictures are given and we have to list the things. Here column is given, a table is given, natural things and man-made things. So you have to write which things comes under natural things and which things comes under man-made things. So here the pictures are doll, fish, nail, the moon, apple, bag, milk, seeds, pencil, clock, duck, lamp. You have to write these things whether it is natural or man-made. Let's look at 2 or 3 examples. Let's take the first one, doll. Is a doll a natural thing? No, it is made by man. So you can write the doll under man-made thing. Let's look at the fish. Fish is a living thing and it is a natural thing. So where should you write the fish? You have to write it under the natural thing. Let's look at the nail. The nail is not a natural thing. It is man-made. So you have to write it under man-made things. So closely observe all this picture and write it under natural things or man-made things. Next, we have high order thinking skills. Think and tick the correct option. Sea water is natural, man-made. Second one, is a mountain a natural thing? Yes, no. Third, is fruit jam a natural thing? Yes, no. Fourth one, honey is natural, man-made. Fifth one, is plastic man-made? Yes, no. So these are the questions for high order thinking skills. Now let's look at the answers. The first question, sea water is. It's natural or man-made. Sea water is natural. It is a gift of nature. So you can tick near the option natural. Let's look at the second question. Is a mountain a natural thing? A mountain is a natural thing. So tick it near yes. Third one, is fruit jam a natural thing? So fruit is a natural thing. We get it from plants or trees. But is a fruit jam natural thing? No. A fruit jam is made by man. So we cannot say that fruit jam is a natural thing. So you can tick near the option no. Fourth one, honey is natural, man-made. Honey is a natural thing. Fifth one, is plastic man-made? Yes or no? Plastic is man-made and you can tick near the option yes. In page number 85, you have an activity zone there. So let's read what it is. Form two teams A and B. Ask each team if a thing is natural or man-made. If the team answers correctly, it scores 2 points. If the answer is not correct, the other team gets a chance to answer and scores 1 point for a correct answer. So here, you are not in the school, you cannot do this, but some things are given there. So you can classify them under man-made things and natural things. So let's look at the names of the things that are given there. Tiger, book, car, rose plant, the sun, train, water, petrol, air, paper, aeroplane, rabbit, the moon, computer, glass bottle, sand, seashell, eraser, pen, river, telephone, cloud, bucket, chair. So these are the names of things. You can classify them under man-made things or natural things. Next, we have an activity. Write the names of 5 natural and man-made things. So find out around you what are natural things and what are man-made, and write the names of 5 natural things and 5 man-made things. And with this, we finish our chapter, Natural and Man-Made Things. Hope it's clear to you. We'll be meeting in the next class. Till then, thank you.